Auto One is an independently owned and operated parts and accessories group made up of over 80 members Australia-wide. The DC picks on average 4,000 lines per day. On peak periods, which is the start of each month, that can go up to 8,000 lines per day.
The old system is highly inefficient. It is paper-based, so everything is done manually. The disadvantage of the old system was that it is time-consuming. It's open up for a lot of human errors.
The CK65 was chosen because of its capability in terms of reading barcodes. It could read barcodes that other units in the market couldn't.
The Honeywell CK65 has made our job easier. We can actually pick and scan faster. It reads the barcodes a lot better than the old system did.
It can scan the barcodes very accurately and quickly, which allows us to pick more orders and deliver goods to our customer in a timely manner.
I enjoy using the CK65 because it's a lot more comfortable. It's less bulky than the old system that we used to have. So my wrists aren't as sore as they used to be. The screens are a lot more clearer and brighter than the old system used to be. It's definitely so much more easier to read. I don't have to ask my boss 50 million questions during the day.
The extended battery life was also something that we were really impressed with.
The CK65 battery life is a lot better than the old system. I can actually go up to 48 hours with using the same battery life, and I don't have to recharge it.
It enables our staff on the floor to spend more time picking and packing and less time changing over batteries or units.
Our reporting shows that our picking time has been reduced by 30% compared to the old picking system.
Our goals were not only about improving internal efficiencies, but also the efficiencies with regard to our customers. Improved efficiency and more accurate picks means that our stores spend less time with corrections or mistakes. Having the real-time inventory has been great for the business. It allows stores to see stock on their ordering portal as soon as the product is put away. This has had a real positive impact on overall DC sales. Auto One plans to expand the rollout of the Honeywell CK65 to future DC requirements, and also as part of our Pronto ERP expansion through the store network. The CK65 has provided us some tremendous efficiency gains at our DC with regard to stock taking, efficiencies with pick and put away. It's also really easy to use, it's reliable, it's stable, and our team really enjoy using the device.